Hello, everyone who loves Korean dramas. Today, we're going to study the lines from the new drama on Netflix. The new drama is Genie Make-A-Wish on Netflix. This drama is a modern reinterpretation of the fantasy setting of the Lamp Fairy Genie. The main characters of the drama are Kim Woo-bin and Bae Soo-ji. Kim Woo-bin, who plays the role of Genie, woke up after 1,000 years, but his career was cut off for 1,000 years. He has an emotional and capricious personality, but he is a spirit who knows nothing about this world because he has been locked up for 1,000 years. He is also a demon who wants to kill her after granting 3 wishes. However, he develops an unpredictable romance, fulfilling 3 wishes of Ga Young, who brought him out for the first time in 1,000 years. Bae Soo-ji plays the role of Ga Young, who wakes up a genie who has been with her for 1,000 years. She is an emotionless person and an ordinary human being who lives by her grandmother's rules and firm beliefs. Accidentally discovering a lamp, waking up the genie, and getting entangled with him, she faces a change in her life. Unlike Genie's explosive emotions, her cool and cold charm is an important point to watch this drama. You wonder what the difference is between watching and studying already, and watching the scenes where the lines I know come out, right? Just follow along.
얼른 빌어, 빨리 빌어, 당장 빌어.
Hurry up and pray. Pray quickly. Pray right now.
얼른 빌어. 빨리 빌어. 당장 빌어.
얼른 빌어, 빨리 빌어, 당장 빌어.
얼른 빌어. 빨리 빌어. 당장 빌어.
얼른 빌어. 빨리 빌어. 당장 빌어.
결국 멸망하지. 내가 주입하는 거야.
It will perish in the end. I'm the one instilling it.
결국 멸망하지. 내가 주입하는 거야.
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 머리만 졸라 길어가지고
You just have really long hair.
머리만 졸라 길어가지고.
This expression is used when a person acts immature or childish, not living up to their age. It means your head has grown, but your thoughts are still young. 졸라 is an adverb used for emphasis, and in this case, it shows that the immaturity is severe. But you have to be careful. 졸라 should only be used with very close friends or in informal relationships. You should never use it in a formal setting. 졸라 is used to emphasize a state or feeling much like very, so much, or incredibly. For example, you can use it in phrases like 오늘 날씨 졸라 덥다. It's so hot today. Or wow, 이 게임 졸라 재밌다. Wow, this game is so fun. It's also used to express dissatisfaction in negative situations, as you can see in sentences like 제오 사람 졸라 시끄럽게 떠드네. That person is so noisy. Or 와, 이거 졸라 맛없다. Wow, this taste is so bad. Surprisingly, 졸라 can also be used to express positive surprise. You can use it to show surprise at someone's good news, like in 네오 이번에 시험 졸라 잘 봤다며? I heard you did so well on the test. Or even as a compliment, like 와, 구스 졸라 잘 어울린다. Wow, that outfit looks so good on you.
오늘 날씨 졸라 덥다.
오늘 날씨 졸라 덥다.
와, 이 게임 졸라 재미있다.
와, 이 게임 졸라 재미있다.
저 사람 졸라 시끄럽게 떠드네.
저 사람 졸라 시끄럽게 떠드네.
와, 이거 졸라 맛없다.
와, 이거 졸라 맛없다.
너 이번에 시험 졸라 잘 봤다며?
너 이번에 시험 졸라 잘 봤다며?
와, 그 옷 졸라 잘 어울린다.
와, 그 옷 졸라 잘 어울린다.
Zola is often used like this, but remember to use it only when talking to friends or close people and never in a public setting.
머리만 졸라 길어가지고
머리만 졸라 길어가지고.
머리만 졸라 길어가지고.
Are you keeping up? Pause the video for a moment. Read the Korean text carefully, look at the phonetic symbols, and try following along.
쫑알쫑알 시끄럽게
Chirp, 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 so noisy.
쫑알쫑알쫑알 시끄럽게.
Jongle jongle is a mimetic word that describes the action of several people talking continuously in small, constant voices at the same time. It's often used with the word noisily, so it's mainly used in a negative sense. This expression is sometimes used similarly to jejal, but jongal jong-al often has a nuance that sounds more like complaining or nagging. This expression can be used negatively depending on the situation or context, but it can also be used neutrally, positively, or even cutely. Let me give you some examples.
우리 아기가 이제 쫑알쫑알 자기 생각을 말하기 시작했어요.
우리 아기가 이제 쫑알쫑알 자기 생각을 말하기 시작했어요.
쫑알쫑알 시끄럽게
쫑알쫑알쫑알 시끄럽게.
쫑알쫑알쫑알 시끄럽게.
이미 타락했네. 많이 타락했어.
You're already corrupted. You're deeply corrupted.
이미 타락했네. 많이 타락했어.
이미 타락했네. 많이 타락했어.
이미 타락했네. 많이 타락했어.
이미 타락했네. 많이 타락했어.
5판 3승
3 wins in 5 games.
5판 3승.
This means the rule where the first to win 3 out of 5 matches becomes the final winner. In this context, pan is a counter for a match or round. It's a unit used to count individual games or bouts that decide a winner. Korean speakers mention the number of games first.
5판 3승
5판 3승.
5판 3승.
If Jeannie and she play 5 times and she wins 3, there must be something going on.
너한테 유혹당했거든.
I was tempted by you.
너한테 유혹 당했거든.
너한테 유혹당했거든.
너한테 유혹 당했거든.
너한테 유혹당했거든.
거의 1000년 만인가?
Is it almost 1,000 years?
거의 1000년 만인가?
거의 1000년 만인가?
거의 1000년 만인가?
거의 1000년 만인가?
다들 소원 3개로 순순히 포기해?
Everyone just going to give up so easily with only 3 wishes?
다들 소원 3개로 순순히 포기해. 순순히.
This is often used in situations where someone is forced to comply with a person's coercive commands or demands. It can also be used when someone reluctantly admits their mistake or defeat.
다들 소원 3개로 순순히 포기해?
다들 소원 3개로 순순히 포기해.
다들 소원 3개로 순순히 포기해.
갖고 싶은 게 생겼어.
I've got something I want.
갖고 싶은 게 생겼어.
갖고 싶은 게 생겼어.
갖고 싶은 게 생겼어.
갖고 싶은 게 생겼어.
그럼 빌었어야지. 살려달라고 빌었어야지.
Then you should have begged. You should have begged for your life.
그럼 빌었어야지. 살려달라고 빌었어야지.
그럼 빌었어야지. 살려달라고 빌었어야지.
그럼 빌었어야지. 살려달라고 빌었어야지.
그럼 빌었어야지. 살려달라고 빌었어야지.
신 뒤에 숨지 마.
Don't hide behind God.
신 뒤에 숨지 마.
신 뒤에 숨지 마.
신 뒤에 숨지 마.
신 뒤에 숨지 마.
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
What the hell did God let you and me meet for?
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
Muol is a shortened conversational form of muosur, muosur. Muod means what, and yul is the object marker. So, muol literally means what as an object. The phrase muolwihazo therefore means what for, or for what purpose. It's a very common way to ask about the reason or objective behind an action.
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
Lang is a particle that connects nouns, meaning together with, or and. It's primarily used in spoken, colloquial Korean for convenience. It has the same meaning as the more formal gwawa, which is used in written Korean. Both gwawa and rang do the same job. They connect nouns to mean and or with, but they're used in different situations. Think of gwawa as a suit you wear for formal occasions or when you're writing. It has a rule: you use gwa if the word before it ends with a final consonant, and you use wa if it ends with a vowel. It requires a little more attention. The final consonant in a Hangul syllable is called bacham. On the other hand, rang is like a pair of comfy clothes you wear when you're talking with close friends. It's much easier and more relaxed because you can just attach rang to any word, no matter how it ends. So in short, use rang when you want to speak casually, and use gwawa when you need to be formal or right. Just remember it like that.
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
신은 대체 뭘 위해서 너랑 나를 만나게 한 건데?
죽은 자는 못 살려. 미래로는 못 가.
The dead cannot be brought back to life and cannot go to the future.
죽은 자는 못 살려. 미래로는 못 가.
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 그대들에게 익숙한 언어로는 사탄이야.
In the language you are familiar with, it is Satan.
그대들에게 익숙한 언어로는 사탄이야.
그대들에게 익숙한 언어로는 사탄이야.
그대들에게 익숙한 언어로는 사탄이야.
그대들에게 익숙한 언어로는 사탄이야.
반사회적 인격장애 할머니.
Antisocial personality disorder. Grandma.
반사회적 인격 장애요 할머니.
반사회적 인격장애 할머니.
반사회적 인격 장애요 할머니.
반사회적 인격 장애요 할머니.
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고 난
I don't really have any wishes, you know.
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고. 나는.
The phrase literally means, I don't particularly grow something like a wish. Here, the verb, hiyuda, to grow raise is used figuratively. It goes beyond simply having a wish and refers to nurturing a desire in your heart or trying to make it happen. So, the phrase means, I don't have any major wishes or goals that I'm nurturing in my heart. It's a casual way to express your thoughts, with a detached, nonchalant nuance that suggests, I'm not really striving to achieve something like everyone else.
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고 난
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고. 나는.
Korean is a subject-object-verb SOV language, which means the verb usually comes at the very end of the sentence. However, the order of the subject and object is quite flexible. Unlike English, where the subject almost always comes first, Korean often puts the subject at the beginning, but it can also be moved to the middle or even to the very end of the sentence. When the subject or any other noun is placed at the end, it's usually for emphasis. By putting it last, the speaker draws attention to that specific word. It's a way of making a statement and then adding a personal or specific focus at the end. In the phrase, putting nanin at the end gives it a more personal and reflective tone. It's like saying, I don't really have any particular wishes. At least I don't. It makes the statement feel casual and introspective, as if you're making a concluding remark about yourself. It's a very natural way native speakers express their personal feelings.
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고 난
딱히 소원 같은 거 안 키운다고. 나는.
내 첫 번째 소원으로 너부터 죽여줘?
Should I kill you first as my first wish?
내 첫 번째 소원으로 너부터 죽여줘.
내 첫 번째 소원으로 너부터 죽여줘?
내 첫 번째 소원으로 너부터 죽여줘.
내 첫 번째 소원으로 너부터 죽여줘.
She's scary. We've studied the lines from the new Netflix series Genie Make-A-Wish in advance. If you watch this video and then watch the drama, you'll have a truly new experience. If you leave a comment about your experience later, It will be very helpful to those learning Korean through dramas. See you next time for another fun video. Bye.